10 time-saving domestic cleaning tips for busy families. Does keeping your home clean feel like just another impossible task on your never-ending to-do list? With a busy family, staying on top of housework can seem overwhelming. Don't worry. With these 10 time-saving cleaning tips, you'll keep your home neat and organized, even with your hectic schedule. Tip 1. Create a family cleaning schedule. First, create a family cleaning schedule. Assign age-appropriate tasks to each family member. Little ones can tidy toys, while older kids can handle vacuuming or dusting. Sharing the load ensures no one feels overwhelmed. Tip 2. Prioritize high-traffic areas. Prioritize cleaning high-traffic areas like the kitchen, living room, and bathroom. A quick daily sweep or wipe down in these spaces will keep your home feeling tidy, even if you can't deep clean other areas. Tip 3. Use multi-purpose cleaning products. Streamline your cleaning routine with multi-purpose products. One all-purpose cleaner can handle multiple surfaces, saving you time and effort as you move from room to room. Tip 4. Clean as you go. Clean as you go. Tidy up small messes immediately. Load the dishwasher after meals or wipe the bathroom sink after brushing your teeth. These small tasks prevent bigger messes later. Tip 5. Declutter regularly. Declutter regularly. A clutter-free home is quicker to clean. Spend a few minutes each week clearing out items you no longer need and encourage everyone in the family to do the same. Tip 6. Invest in time-saving cleaning tools. Invest in time-saving tools like a cordless vacuum or a robotic vacuum cleaner. They make spot cleaning faster and easier, helping you tackle chores with minimal effort. Tip 7. Focus on one room at a time. When you're short on time, focus on one room at a time. Spend 15 to 20 minutes cleaning just one area and rotate through the house throughout the week. Small efforts add up. Tip 8. Get the whole family involved. Make cleaning a family affair. Turn it into a game, set a timer, or play some music. Working together makes the process quicker and more fun for everyone. Tip 9. Utilize short bursts of cleaning time. Make use of short bursts of time. While waiting for water to boil or during TV commercials, do a quick tidy up. These small moments add up, keeping your home in order without a big time commitment. Tip 10. Consider professional help for deep cleaning. Consider hiring professional help for deep cleaning every few months. It's a worthwhile investment, saving you time and ensuring those hard-to-reach areas get the attention they need. Conclusion. With these 10 time-saving tips, even the busiest families can maintain a clean and organized home. A little effort each day goes a long way, leaving you more time for what really matters, spending quality moments with your loved ones. Need help? Contact Dirt2Tidy for professional cleaning services and keep your home sparkling without the stress.